Hi guys, my name is Tumare Mazibugo. I'm a fat loss specialist. In this video, I just want to quickly discuss the 3 fat loss fundamentals, the 3 things that you need to do if you want to lose weight. First thing is calorie deficit. It doesn't matter what you do. You can exercise, you can work, you can sleep a lot, you can run a lot. The most important thing is calorie deficit. You have to find a way to reduce your calories all the time. So most people reduce their calories by doing a lot of cardio. That's one way to reduce calories. Most people reduce their calories in terms of supplementation. That's another way. So calories are very important because if you are in a calorie surplus, then you are going to gain a lot of weight. But if you are in the calorie deficit, then you are going to lose a lot of weight. So it's very important to note everything that you are consuming and that you are taking. If your goal is to be in a calorie deficit, then you must work towards that goal. If your goal is to be in a calorie surplus, just like bodybuilders, then you must stick to that goal. The second point that I want to talk about is the portion control. Portion control means that it is known as measuring the type of food that you eat as well as the meal timing, the amount of time when you consume your next meal. So portion control is very important because you want your stomach or your metabolism to get used to the same time or the same rate of eating. So if you are always eating inconsistently, then you kind of like confuse that, and that is why most of the time, if you don't stick to your meal plans and meal preps or meal schedule or meal measurements, then you will lose meal timing. So the best way for portion control is to get consistent bowls. If you can get used to eating your meals in a bowl. So a bowl is very helpful because instead of measuring your meal, but you know that all the time when you're eating with the bowl is always the same size. So you're always sticking to the same size no matter what you eat. So the third point that I want to discuss is the hydration levels. Most people do not understand what you're talking about when you're talking about electrolytes. Most people are always dehydrated. Most people are always dehydrated from drinking a lot of alcohol. They have a lot of hangover and they don't know what causes that. So unfortunately, that's another reason why you will gain a lot of fat. That's another reason why you will gain a lot of belly, stomach, or belly fat. Because it's very important not to be dehydrated. When you are dehydrated, it means that your metabolism slows down. And if your metabolism slows down, it means that your metabolism no longer, it does not take a lot of waste out of your system. It does not clean a lot of toxic things in your system, and so they remain. So the most important thing is to get your hydration levels up. My solution is always getting a glass of water with some drops of lemon or lemon juice inside, or few pinches of salt. You might have that in the morning or midday or in the evening, depending when you feel those hydration levels or you feel dehydrated. The second thing is to always check your urine. When you are urinating, it's very important to check that. If your urine is very, very, very yellow, that is the first step of dehydration. Then you know that you can just continue taking that water and salt and lemon and then continue from there. So guys, it's very important to always remember that. Always remember to always control your calorie level. Calories. Always control your calories. Always remain in the calorie deficit. And then the second, always measure your meals. Always be clear on your meal timings. What time do you eat? Where do you eat? And what do you eat? And the last point, always be aware of your hydration levels. It's very important to avoid. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us. I'll be uploading videos every week, at least 2 to 3 videos every week, so it will help you stay updated, and it will also help us in terms of supporting the channel and promoting a lot of content like this.